I've lived all my life all alone. I've not known love since I've been on my own. She wants me to be something I don't know. I know it sounds stupid, but I just don't know if I can love anymore. I need to move on, I should just let go. I should just say no, but I don't wanna end up alone, so I'm tearing down walls only to find more have been built in their place. Turning away, try to escape. All my past I want to erase. All of the things that I've been told. Confused, seduce my mind. I'm turning away, I'm looking for answers. I'm left grasping for air. And oh, where do I go? And oh, what do I do? I'm not ready for this. To be ready, but I just know I'm not. No. I should just leave. Let this thing we have ride. But no, I can't let go. Not after all this time. I can't go back now. I can't go forward.
I'm not a mother.
I'm not a husband. I'm just a loser. But I wanna be better, so I'm
tearing down walls only to find more have been built in their place. Turning away, try to escape. All my past I want to erase. All of the things that I've been told. Confuse, seduce my mind. I'm turning away, I'm looking for answers. I'm left grasping for air.
Why can't I just let go now? It's probably over anyhow. I should just go and give up, just run, but no, I need to grow up and be a man. Oh, why can't I decide?
Tearing down walls only to find more have been built in their place. Turning away, try to escape. All my past I want to erase. All of the things that I've been told. Confused, seduce my mind. I'm turning away, I'm looking for answers. I'm left grasping for air. Where do I go? What do I do?
I'm not ready for this, but I need to be ready for this.